Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop giving you some simple tips on how you can plate your breakfast to make it look more fancy. Let's get plating. During these times, I don't have the luxury of buying buttermilk, so right now what I'm doing is I'm squeezing a lemon into some regular milk. This is going to create the same thing that buttermilk does. After the egg, you're going to add in your melted butter, vanilla extract, and the milk that's been sitting for 5 minutes with that lemon juice. Add in your flour and a little dash of sugar. What I really love about this recipe is you don't have to sit there whipping the egg whites first and then folding in the dry ingredients. I've made these so many times in so many different ways with differing ingredients, and it always seems to work out. This waffle maker also really gets the job done. Super fast and super easy. Here I'm whipping my whipping cream up to a really stiff peak because we're gonna pipe this. When plating like a pro, there's a few tips that you need to follow. I know this because I worked in several upscale restaurants. Just kidding, I've only ever plated for my family. So what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be laying down your caramel sauce and swiping it through. I find adding some sort of sauce on the plate really makes things look beautiful. Adding some sort of cool piping detail is what's going to set your plating apart from just dumping the whipped cream onto your waffles. With Easter right around the corner, I thought I would create a little nest and put some delicious chocolate mini eggs inside. This plate is for somebody who may not necessarily like fruit. Once again, I am starting with my sauce down on the plate first. That was just some regular old syrup. Whatever food item I'm placing down, I always try to make sure that it kind of goes to one side. For me, this gives it a more modern feel, and it also just makes it look prettier. I've watched the pros do this several times on all the cooking shows that I watch, so it must be right. I'm using chopsticks to place down my strawberries. I just find I get way more control when I do this rather than doing it with a spoon or a fork. My final tip is to use a tea ball to disperse your icing sugar. And voila, your breakfast or dessert waffles are complete. And it really didn't take me that long to plate these up, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, which right now is happening daily at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!